trying to get video to get the trees falling apart over here. As soon as I turn the camera on, they stop. Up here, completely hard as a rock. Super thick. You can see, there's it snapped. There. Right there. Can't really see it, but you can hear it. All of these trees used to be completely upright. Yeah, that's what we've been hearing about all day. But these are all falling down. Oh wow. There's a tree back there that just snapped in complete half. I just watched it. It's crazy.
Are you kidding me? All those trees are falling down?
These ones are just like,
That was huge right
yeah, but that one just snapped completely in half.
There's one that just broke back there, right?
Yeah, I just saw
No, over here. Wasn't there one big over in?
right there.
Jeez.
But look at those. Those used to be like straight up and down, right? And look at that.
Yeah.
There's one that snapped in half right there too. This is kind of scary,
Send us into the news.
right?
Good. Send us into the news. It'd be so crazy. Look at all the trees right here.
Yeah. I've never seen anything like this. Was that up or did that fall along?
There's another tree.
Okay, so you see that spot? Just snapped right there. Look how thick that branch is though.
No, look at those ones back there.
Yeah.
See, look at one in our backyard. That one up there. If you look from over there, it's hooked down like this. It's gonna break. It's either gonna fall in their yard, their backyard, or our backyard.
Oh.
Look at that.
If there were some kids wanting to play down there, I'd be like,
No.
heck no.
Yeah.
Mom just said we might have a different view this spring. I have to agree. Oh, see if we can get that. There's the tree that just snapped. This is crazy. I probably shouldn't be standing over here right now. I don't know. Just waiting for another one. Somebody's getting their generator ready, just in case. My car. I tried to open up a door and turn a handle. First of all, everything's frozen shut. It's really hard to walk. If I try to open this, anyway, if I try to open this, all I get is ice coming off. Pretty good sized icicles. They just glide across the ice. There goes another one. that all the branches are like encased in ice. Well, my battery's running low, but we got some good ones in here.